Good evening, everybody. A very warm welcome to the Creatrix channel. And here we are with another opportunity, with another notification for you guys. So, guys, a new job opportunity has come up in NMDC. And this time, this opportunity is without gate. They are searching for junior officers. Okay. So I'll tell you about this opportunity in detail, what you need to do, who are eligible, and what kind of a recruitment process it is. But before we go ahead, let me introduce myself. So here I am, Ankit Goel. I got AIR1 twice in GATE in 2014 and 2018. I was awarded President of India Gold Medal in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT Indore. Till date, I have trained more than 1 lakh students in the online and the offline classes, and I am presently working as a director at an academy for GATE department. And my dear friend, if you follow this channel, you would know that we bring the maximum number of free initiative for the students of this country so that they are benefited in each and every aspect and no student is left without quality education. But my dear friend, one thing is for sure that we are able to do all this because we have an academy with us. An academy is not an organization, it is a revolution, it is a mission to empower each and every student of this country who can't dare to dream that they can also dream, they can also aspire to become officers, they can also aspire to get into higher educational colleges with the top rankings. Yes, they can dare to dream and they have the right to dream. So that is being empowered by Unacademy, and we don't only provide free initiatives on YouTube, but we provide you free initiative on the Unacademy Learning app as well. So just download the Unacademy Learning app and follow our free initiative. You can unlock any free initiative simply by using the code ANKITESE. So this code will unlock free initiatives for you guys available on the Unacademy app. Now let's go through the advertisement that we have. Okay, so here it is. NMDC, a Government of India enterprise. Okay, so earlier I got confused because I have covered a similar notification through GATE 2021, but this is not through the GATE examination. So they are searching for junior engineers again in the same disciplines: mining, mechanical, electrical and civil. So electrical people have not much vacancies, but yes, it's still an opportunity, and if there is an opportunity, you need to grab it with both the hands. So there are 13 vacancies for electrical, 28 maximum for mining, mechanical 17 and civil is 5. Okay. So for mining discipline, we need a 3 years diploma in mining engineering from a recognized institute or degree in mining engineering from a recognized university. For mechanical, same, either a diploma or a degree. Electrical also same thing, either a diploma or degree in electrical engineering. Okay. And with electrical supervisory certificate of competency. For diploma, they need a certificate of competency, otherwise you need to have a degree. Diploma students, make sure that you have this certificate with you, but if you have a degree, you don't need any additional certificate. Okay. So experience, minimum 5-year post qualification experience in carrying out a repair, overhauling, maintenance of high tension, low tension system, high tension, low tension machinery, equipments and gadgets. Okay, this is the experience. In case of diploma holders, okay, remember, so diploma holders need 5 years of experience, but degree students can go directly as a fresher. So this makes the life hard for diploma students, that they need to have not only 1 or 2 years, but 5 years of experience in the relevant field. Okay. So maximum age here is 32 years, which is very obvious if they are asking for 5 years experience. Stipend. So initially the candidate selected will be posted as trainee, and the period of trainee monthly stipend will be provided. Okay. So for degree holder, the pay scale for the first 12 months is 37,000. For diploma holder, it is 37,000, but the training period is 18 months. And after completion of training, your pay scale will change to 37,000 to 1,30,000 again. A good opportunity seeing the present times. Okay. The post reservation is given, how many are unreserved, SC, ST, everything. Okay, you will find this notification in the description of this video. So you can check out this division, how it is divided. Now, let's see how to apply. You can apply through the NMDC website, okay, on the careers page. So the applications are opening from 3rd of March 10 a.m. till 23rd of March. So guys, you only have 20 days. Make sure that you decide whether or not you are going to apply in these 20 days. Later on, regretting is not a good idea. Okay, helpline number is also available from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. in case of any queries. You need to fill the details online and upload the relevant documents. So check out the website immediately, because in case you don't have any document available, you can still arrange it. Okay. So before applying, please read the instructions carefully, and the fees is 250. So the fees is not much. I believe you all should apply, because within 250 if you are getting a job opportunity, so I think that will be affordable for most of the candidates. I can't say all, everybody is not at the same level, but it will be accessible to most of the candidates. Okay, so now payment simply can be made by UPI, credit card, online debit card, everything. Okay, so you need to keep the soft copy of document, recent passport size photograph, 10th certificate, qualification and experience certificate, qualification for degree and qualification plus experience for diploma holders. Okay, scanned signature as well, scanned signature. Okay, very important. After applying the online, you need to download the hard copy of the application form. Do download that application form and send the same by mentioning the registration number, employment notification number, post and discipline, and affixing your recent passport size photograph with all certificate and testimonial to the post office. Okay, the post box number is given. That means only online application is not enough. After applying online, you will download that, you will print that out, you will put your photo, signature and all the relevant documents, and then you will have to post it. The post box number is given. Okay. So call letters and admit cards will be sent through the post as well as email. Okay. And you can also generate it from the careers page of the NMDC website. What is the mode of selection? 100 marks test is there, which is computer based test, and supervisory skill test, which is qualifying in nature. That is, your rank is not affected by this skill test. Your rank will be decided on the basis of online test. But suppose you don't have the needed skills when they test your supervisory skill, then they will disqualify you. It is only to be qualified. It does not affect your ranking. Okay. Eligible candidates are required to appear for CBT, that I have told you already, which contains multiple choice question, which contains MCQ. Okay. Languages for online CBT will be Hindi and English, and objective type question will be there. And the candidates will be called for the skill test based on your performance in the computer based test. So based on how you do in the MCQ exam, you will be called for the skill test. Okay. So basically, it is just qualifying in nature. The qualifying marks in the supervisory skill test will be 40% for unreserved, 37% for OBC and 30% for SC/ST. That is, this skill test will also contain 100 marks. You need to at least get 40% marks, that is 40 marks, in order to qualify. Okay. Procedure for supervisory skill test. It will be conducted in respective discipline which is mandatory. That is, for electrical, it will be in electrical. For mechanical, it will be in mechanical. Okay. It will not be included in the online CBT marks. It is separate and just for qualifying. And the merit-based merit list of the candidates for supervisory skill test and the final selected candidates will be prepared discipline wise. That is, mechanical vacancies can't be transferred to electrical or electrical to mechanical. Okay. Verification of documents. Now, when you are going for that skill test, you need to carry your original documents, because they will be verifying the documents, the self-attested documents that you sent them and the original documents that you have with you. They will be checking that. They will be verifying that before giving you any job. The general conditions. The date of birth will be taken from the 10th class certificate. You can't provide any other date of birth proof. You'll have to give your 10th class certificate for the date of birth. Okay. And other than this, you can go through these. These are not major points. So just go through them once. Okay. List of eligible candidates will be displayed 21 days prior to CBT. So whenever CBT is going to happen, they'll give you 3 weeks in advance. List of candidates along with their CBT marks will be displayed. Okay. And list of candidates eligible for skill test will be displayed. List of candidates along with their skill test marks will be displayed. And finally, selected candidates list will also be available on NMDC website from time to time. So remember, you will get 3 weeks to know when your test is and where you have to travel. So you need to be continuously checking the website again and again. But mark my words, only 20 days are there and the application fees is only 250. So go for it, guys, because opportunities are very rare in these times, and whenever you get an opportunity, grab it with both the hands. Okay. So let's move on. So guys, if you need any help preparing for the exam, you can visit this URL. You can visit this URL. Here you will find what happened. Here you will find all my special classes that I have taken so far, and these classes will help you prepare for this examination. And all the channel videos are available on this link. Here you will find all the videos that we have taken till date. You will find them here at a single location. Don't miss out this opportunity. Here you will also find the PDF notes of these lectures. Other than this, you can become a member of Unacademy Plus, because here you get a lot of benefits like live classes by top educator, comprehensive and crash courses. And in the name of content, you get daily assignment, weekly quiz, test series, question bank. And if you need any help with any doubts are also cleared. In one subscription, you get access to 1 year, 2 year, 3 year foundation, placement, interview, PSU, all the batches. And my dear friend, if you want to go one step ahead, you can go for Iconic, where with all these benefits, you will get a personal coach who will guide you related to your preparation. Okay. And they will create a study planner for you, the personal coaches who themselves are GATE and ESE rankers. And teachers will also provide you personalized interaction, clear your queries, and guide you and motivate you. You will get separate test analysis telling your strengths and weakness. You will get study material separately, where you will get theory and question bank. And my dear friend, a dedicated team to clear all your doubts. So simply you can use the code AnkitESE to get an immediate 10% discount, okay, on Plus as well as Iconic subscription. Other than this, why should you go for Plus or Iconic when you have YouTube? Because in YouTube you will get the lectures definitely with the best quality guaranteed. But my dear friend, to get a top rank, you need much more than that. You need an environment to study, you need competition, you need assignments, you need quizzes, you need tests, you need guidance, mentorship, and a lot more factors which are easily accessible on Plus, but they can't be implemented on YouTube. That is the limitation of the platform of YouTube. So Plus is specifically targeted for studying, whereas YouTube is for entertainment. We are using it for studying purpose, but there are certain limitations in that. Other than this, my friend, we have recently started a new batch from 1st of March, in which I am starting analog from 17th of March. If you want to know more about our batches, then you can visit this link I am writing here, tinyurl.com/ESE GATE batches. You can go to this link and check out all the batches that we are offering. And from 17th of March, I am starting analog on Plus. So if you use the code AnkitESE, my friend, 1 year fees will become 27,225, 18 months, 34,650, 2 year, 39,600. I would recommend that you go for 2 year, because per month cost is minimum and you get it at EMI without any interest. So you can pay in 12 equal EMI. In order to go for Iconic for 1 year, your fees will become 45,225, 2 years, 66,600. Again, go for 2 year, per month cost is minimum, and you can avail it on EMI without paying any interest. You can follow me on Unacademy. Download the Unacademy Learning app from App Store and Play Store and follow me. Then you can send me personal messages. In order to stay in touch with me, follow my Telegram channel t.me/gateair1. And for any queries, you can message me on Unacademy app, or you can join my Telegram group by the name Ankit Gate. So thank you everybody. I hope all of you have benefited from this notification, and in case you need any help preparing, do contact our team. They'll definitely guide you and help you, and I hope all of you get benefited from such job notifications, and more such jobs keep on coming in the near future. Do like, share, subscribe and comment and tell me whether or not you are going for this opportunity. Are you going to apply? Tell me in the comment section. Thank you guys.